Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to report a specific message in Vanish mode on Instagram. Vanish mode allows for disappearing messages, but if you come across an inappropriate or offensive message, it's essential to know how to take action. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Begin by opening the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll find the aeroplane icon or the direct message icon. Tap on it to access your chats. Step 3. From the chat where the specific message is located, tap and hold the message you want to report. This will activate the reporting options. Step 4. Tap on Report from the available options. This will initiate the reporting process for the specific message. Step 5. Select the reason why you want to report the message. Instagram provides a range of categories to choose from. Note: additionally, you'll find options to restrict the account or block the account that sent the message. These actions can help further manage unwanted interactions. Congratulations! You have learned how to report a specific message in Vanish mode on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Thank you for watching.